to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is it.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks, and I'm back today with a super dope, very girly, very feminine, very modern new Gucci handbag unboxing. Just, going with the cute model off duty kind of vibes. So yeah, but this bag is such a stunning, gorgeous summer statement. It's the bag that you pull out when you just want a little extra glittery glam. I'll give you guys a little hint. Okay, I got on my little crystal gem earrings and my little crystal gem bracelet. So yes, we got some little sparkly vibes going on because this bag is tea. Too much tea, okay? This is a bougie on a budget gift, and also so much to Coeebags for working with me on today's video. So this bag, I believe, came out, I want to say last year or and it came out with an array of Gucci crystal line. This Gucci crystal collection, I just think it is so stunning. So let's go ahead and open it. So that's how your box is gonna be. Comes in that beautiful dust bag and packaging. This is how your big shopping bag is gonna look. Super cute to give to a friend or anything this summer. So you guys know I'm a pink girly at heart. I love all the pink vibes, but I was like, I want something different, and I was just saying to myself, I really want a Marmont type of style of bag, a Marmont Gucci bag. But I was like, I want something different. I want something that you're not gonna see people carrying. Like, I want the vibes, okay? Look at this gorgeous, stunning Gucci Marmont crystal bag, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at this bag. So this is how your handles will come, packaged very nicely, stuffing all on the inside. Look at the gorgeous suede in there. The gorgeous gold, I believe it's like a champagne gold hardware. So let me go ahead and unwrap her, and then I'll be right back. I'm not so much aware. Gucci did change the sizing for the Marmonts, so I believe this is the medium, or it could be the small. To me, it's giving medium as far as the size. And also for the Marmont sizing, they did change the links, I believe, but to be honest, I love this style of a link better. It's not your same classic kind of regular chain link that you see on everything, on most bags, most fashion houses have. So I love that new added touch. It just gives a freshness to the Marmont because Gucci has been needing some new freshness. And then here goes the back pocket, your regular style Marmont, and then it has that beautiful mint kind of green, light mint green microfiber suede. So I believe that's what's underneath the crystals as well. You guys, this bag is just stunning. I really wanted something different, like I said, different, vibrant, fun for this summer season. It is just so stunning. Like, I turned up and also like adjusted the lighting so you guys can see the true colors and the true beauty of the gems shining and twinkling off of this bag. Like, it is just so stunning. I love it. a push lock, so you push it underneath. I really like that. It's very easy to get in and out of the bag. And then just open one flap. You do get a zipper pocket at the back. You see more Gucci stamping right there. This bag is just so stunning, and I love the microfiber on the inside. It's very feminine, very classy. And then inside you do get a little booklet, a little Gucci booklet. So I believe this is like care instruction. Older, little bougie on a budget piece that I have. This is my little mini nail kit. So then I have a little lipstick. So usually my cosmetics and stuff I like to just keep back there in the back pocket if a bag has it. I have some lotion. I have my card holder. So as you guys can see, this goes perfect with the color. And then I have my keys. Okay, and all of that fits so comfortably in the bag. Oh, just look at that overhead vibe. Like, oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. So now you know I'm definitely gonna be on the hunt for a couple of more pieces from the crystal collection, the little crystal collection. And it is just so stunning. Like, even what I have on today, I just
Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do.
okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit them all and see what damage I could do.
Okay.
I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money with, not take it from me. Look, they don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy.
So as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I do see all the new comments. I greatly appreciate it. This bag is just so stunning. I'm so glad that I picked this color too, because I just realized too I don't really have a lot of color in my collection. I have a lot of classics, I have a lot of neutrals, a lot of staple bags, but I do not have anything like this stunning piece right here. Nothing with gems, or I actually do have a Gucci Dionysus with the patches, but this is definitely way different. Like I said, I don't have a Marmont, so I don't have a Marmont, and I don't have anything with the extra va va voom, and this definitely stepped it up. It definitely took it there. Look at how good it looks with my little bracelet. Like, it just looks like I just cannot wait to style this, even with like a big oversized tee, a cute oversized fringe tee, your hair in a cute bun, or even like how I have it today. Just so cute and stylish, just girly and feminine. You will definitely be blinding some people with this, hopefully not intentionally, but yes. And look at that champagne gold hardware. So you guys know Coeebags does not disappoint. Definitely 10 out of 10 for everything across the board. Customer service, shipping, and the quality of your bag definitely does not disappoint. So also, you guys, stay tuned to my IG. Also here in my shorts, you guys know on my shorts here on YouTube, I pretty much post every day. So stay tuned. That's where I style all my cute pieces and I show you what I have inside. So I'm definitely gonna do some follow-up videos on all the SOGs that I can get to kind of match this, and also charms too. I'm not gonna lie, the charm vibe has been taking over your girl, but that's okay. That's what having fun with fashion is all about. So as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one.